Hello everybody, my name is Slayer, and today I'm gonna tell you guys that you can get free gift cards and everything you want by just using this by using this website called Gamekit. It's a really good website, guys. You guys should use it definitely. It's called Gamekit, as you can see right here, highlighted blue. Gamekit, guys. It's a free website, no money wasted, and it's really good to use. So I'm gonna tell you guys how to use it. So yeah, let's get into it. So basically, guys, what you need to do is as soon as you enter the page, guys, first of all, guys, you search up GameKit. Okay, search up GameKit. Okay, guys. So yeah, search up GameKit, guys. GameKit. And when you're on GameKit, you see a sign up button, and just do all your little and just register. And then, guys, after you're done registering, you get to go to this page, and you could do submissions, guys, to get a lot of points. And yeah, I already made my account, guys. So as you can see right here, I already made my account. So that I'm gonna. I got notifications. What is this? I got notifications, guys. I got notifications. Quest 1 is not expected due to the reason it's not visible in the screenshot. What? Wait a second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for the disturbance. Anyways, guys, you can create an account. And, guys, after you're done creating an account, you get to, just get anything off the store. Just do some missions, guys, and you get points. You get a lot of points, which is really, really good. And you could use your points to get your gift card, guys. That's the best thing. Like, seriously, it's the best thing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna log in. I'm doing this mission called Blade and Soul, I think it's called. Yeah, I think it's called Blade and Soul, guys. And the quest is to confirm, it's to create an account, confirm your account, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Or if I want to read it again, I can just do this. It's called Blade and Soul, yeah. Yeah, to complete in-game. Oh, that's something else, guys. But I think that's it, guys. I think that's what it's supposed to be. So, yeah. I'll be right back when I'm done creating my account on this mission. Okay, guys, I'm back. And as you can see here, it tells me a verification email has been sent to the email addresses below. Check your email and verify your account. That's what I'm about to do, guys, so I'll be right back once I do that. Okay, guys. This is the confirmation link. This is my username, guys, if you want to be friends with me on this random website. My name is Dion. My name is Boy. That's my username, guys. Click the confirmation link below to verify your email address and create your account. Let's press that, guys. Alright, let's wait. Okay, welcome to Blade and Soul. Your account has been verified, guys. Alright, now that it says that, guys, we're going to go back. We're going to go back to GameKit. Nickname, we're going to put our nickname in, guys. So, yeah, let's put a nickname in. Let's put a nickname. Okay, we're going to press send. Alright, guys, which make sure, okay, press OK. Okay, now that you registered in game, now you need to do these quests. I need to do these quests. So basically, the quest basically is you have to reach a level 5. That's easy, but you have to play the game in order to do that, guys. So yeah. Alright, so quest 1 to 3, 2,000 points. Okay, we get 2,000 points for that. That's good. Okay, guys, you 100 XP. That's good. So guys, let's download the game. Basically. Alright, guys, we're gonna download the game. Wait. Okay, download Blade and Soul. We're downloading the game, guys. After this, I'm uninstalling the game. So why do I need to download this? Alright, guys, this is where I need to put my date and birth in. So that's see it. Cause I'm gonna put. You can put random, guys. Doesn't really matter. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, my date, my month is I don't even know. I don't know what should I put as my month. That's my fake mouth. My mom. It's probably gonna be 09. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's gonna be 09, guys. Day is gonna be 17 and 1998. Submit. This is a fake date of birth, guys. Someone trying to scam me. Anyways, download Blade and Soul, guys. We're gonna download this game. Download executable. Alright, guys, we're gonna download this on my computer. Best of luck, guys, because I'm deleting this after. Because I don't want this on my computer, because this is just for the mission. Okay, so basically the thing's gonna download. So guys, I'm gonna wait until it's done downloading, guys. See you later. Alright guys, done downloading. That was quick. So we're gonna press the exe file, guys. Hope of luck, guys. Best of luck, guys. Okay, it's the installer. Let's press yes. Alright guys, it's gonna download. Select the installation for the choice to below. We're gonna press OK. English. Okay, setting up. MSI, whatever, blah blah blah. This game is gonna crash my computer because it looks like a high-tech game. So yeah. Okay, it's installing everything, guys. I'm deleting this after this video because I don't know what the heck this game is. If the game is good, I'll play it, but this game looks bad, guys. This game actually looks bad. Okay, guys, I'll beat you when the download is done. Alright, guys, I'm back, and I'm gonna press install. It's installing. Alright, guys. Wait, what? Error writing skin pack. That doesn't matter, guys. We can just keep on going, I think. Let's stop that there. What's happened? Guys, what just happened? Like, oh no, downloading. Oh my god, it's downloading to my low drive, bro. Oh my god. Doesn't matter. I can install it after this video, which is a good thing because I don't want this on my game. I don't want this on anything because I don't even know this game. I don't even know what this game is. Guys, I'm just gonna wait for this to be finished, and I'll be right back, guys. After this is actually finished. So as soon as it's finished. Wait, God. Setup was not completed successfully. That means we need to cancel it? Bruh! Install Shield Wizard has been stopped. System has not been fixed. To install the clover later, start the installation over. Click on finish and close the wizard. Bruh! Wait, did it actually install still though, at least? Bruh, it didn't install! Guys, I guess I have to download it again. For some goddamn reason. So, I'll meet you guys when actually, no, you can stay there, guys, because it's right here. Okay, guys, let's just load. Okay, guys, we're gonna press the yes. Gamekit, why have to be so long for everything? Okay. Okay, it's distracting it. Set up SMI. Alright. Okay, it's installing. It's a good thing. It's a really good thing. Okay, guys, we're gonna wait until this thing is finished, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. See what I got, and when I click install, guys, install. Alright, guys, download skin pack. Okay. Then finally, it's completed. Install has been completed. Okay. Close, guys. Alright. I'm gonna press install. Game and Blade and Soul. Installed. Next. Accept. Browse. Instead of putting it there, we're gonna put it in our other disk. Okay. Next. Not space to install these options. Choose some modifier selections. What? Oh, because this is there, guys. Guys, I'll be right bad. Like, I'll be right back, guys. I need this one real quick. I need to fill some space, guys. You know what I'm saying? Guys, the video ended. Sorry. I'll be right back, guys, once I'm done freeing up my space. And yeah. Okay, guys. I am back. And we actually did it, guys. Did it. Answer the program. So we're gonna go back to this, guys. We're gonna choose this. Okay. Next. What? Oh, welcome. Okay, guys. Sorry for that. Anyways. Okay, guys. What's going on? Yeah, let's go back. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go back for a second because I think that's how it's not working. I'm gonna go to next, guys. We're gonna go to D. Still, no space. So install these options. Figure out the most obvious in the most way or selection. So we're gonna try my own. I'm gonna try my Windows C disk. So not enough space. So you know what, guys? Since we have not enough space, we'll go to here, guys. Okay, we're gonna go to properties. Alright, we're gonna go to optimize and defragment drive. Optimizing your computer drives and can help it run more efficiently. Okay, so we're gonna defrag our drive real quick. We're gonna press optimize so I can do it. Sorry guys, if you hear that means something. Oh shoot, it optimized it. Alright, I guess it optimized it, but that was really quick. Okay. So our drive is okay a little bit, but it's not that okay. And then we're gonna do disk cleanup. Alright. I'm gonna do every single file, cycle bin, everything. Everything. Literally everything. You see you have everything checked. Okay. Delete files. And I'll be right back when this is completed. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys, but I cannot do this thing I can't do this where I download the thing and I do the mission. I can't do that. So sorry, guys. The reason why I can't do it is because I have, as you can see, look. If I press next, I don't have enough space. That's the reason why I can't really do it. But you guys have space. You should have space, guys. So you guys can do it yourselves, guys. If you have space, you can download this thing and do the mission. Reach a level 5. I'm not doing that, guys. It's actually legit. I did it on my old computer before. Like I'm not joking. Like seriously. I'll try to post a video on my old computer, but that'll be kind of hard. So I might not do that, guys. But still, bro, like still. It actually is legit. Like, I'm not joking. I actually did it before, guys. I'm not joking. Well, why would my YouTuber lie to you guys? Like, why would I lie to you guys? I wouldn't lie to you guys. I would not lie to you guys. So, it's basically legit. You guys should try it yourselves. It's because, I can't do it. It's because, I don't see. Guys, you can see it again. I don't have enough space, as you can see right on the screen. So, basically, I can't really download the game, but you guys can try yourselves. You guys might have space. You guys can play the game and reach level 5 and yeah, and get the points. So guys, yeah, basically this video is a failure, but you guys can do it yourselves, basically. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, comment, click the bell if you like, and I'll see you guys next video.